Okay guys, so I've already started off with one eye, and we know that the way that I'm doing this particular video is based on what I love and what I'm using at the moment, so to speak. Hi guys, this video was not supposed to be a voiceover, but of course I was talking a lot in the video, so I went ahead and did a voiceover. So my skin is already prep prime, and as you can see, one of my eyes are already done and my brows are already done. But before I do that, I usually use this little hack that I learned from another YouTuber, which I will link her information down in the description box. So what I usually do is use a LA Girl Pro concealer that is in the shade a little bit darker or lighter, well, darker than my skin tone. I also used the orange concealer, but I shouldn't have. But usually I use the color Chestnut because it matches my skin just a hair darker. And when you go ahead and prep and prime your skin and then you put this on, by the time you're ready to put your foundation on, it is already set, so there's no blending or whatever, and it makes your foundation and your overall makeup look priceless. So yeah, so this video is about my faves that I really have enjoyed using, hacks or what have you, in the year 2018. And this is also a series, so there will be another video on skincare in the series. So I've already, done everything to my skin, so I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Morphe 35M palette to do my eyes. And before I start that, I'm going to go ahead in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. And with this palette, I really love this palette because it came with so many versatile shades, chromes, mattes, whatever, shimmers, whatever you want to call them. Like, so many looks can be achieved by using this palette. Not to mention that Morphe is very affordable. So if you are an up-and-coming makeup artist and you really want to get your feet wet and you don't want to spend a lot of money to build your kit, I would highly, highly, highly suggest using Morphe. I mean, their brushes are like $2 and they're very good quality. So yeah, so I really, really love that. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with my first shade, and that shade is going to be Power Slayer. And then I'm going to go in and blend that out with FOTD. So I really, really enjoyed making this video. Another one of my favorites was that little mini beauty blender. I want to say that that is from Real Techniques, and it came 2 in a pack. Also, I've really been enjoying this year my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and that one is in the color 30 Deep. And then the other one there is in the color 40 Dark. I don't use these to set my under eye because if you didn't know, I have like this combination skin, but I also have eczema. So, I ain't gonna do it. I ain't gonna be looking crazy. No, thank you. So then, I also want to tell y'all the other products that I use already, which was for my brow, which is also a product by Morphe. It's their brow gel. I think that's what it's called, and that's in the color Java. I also use their brow pencil. Love, love, love the brow pencil. I actually have been kind of trying to stray away from the brow pomades and things like that and use the pencil, and I really, 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 really love it. It makes your eyebrows really on point. Y'all don't judge me in this video either, because I kind of realized, like, while editing this video, that my brows were not the same. I know they're not supposed to be twins. They're supposed to be sisters, but the way I make them look like they was distant relatives. So the shade that I'm going to use on my lid is going to be Transformer. And the reason why I really, really love Morphe, again, is because there's, like, almost little to no fallout, and it just, like, it blends. It's not chalky, and it's, like, again, affordable. So I really, really like that. Just want to jump ahead just so that I don't forget any of the products. The Telescopic L'Oreal mascara that I use is one of my all-time favorites. A friend of mine hit me onto that, and baby, I've been loving it, and you could get that at the drugstore. I want to say it was like $9.99. Also, I have been loving the I Envy Iconic Eyelash Collection, and they have these in like 3 different types. So the ones that I have here are in a pink box, and they're the Glam Iconic set. Then they also have like a light pink and then like a more mauve pink. They're only $3.99. They are 3D and volume lightweight, lashes. So they kind of give you that oomph without being overly priced. I really love that. Also, the foundation that I'm going to use is the Maybelline Fit Me, and I use the color 362, which is Truffle, which it blends, but then it also oxidizes a whole lot, and it makes me feel like I have all of this, like I feel like I have a lot of products on my face. So that was not my initial fave. My actual fave this year is going to be NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the color Mocha. I ran out, and y'all, like, if I don't hurry up and get to Ulta, like, ugh, I don't know. So yeah. So, and then on top of that, to just really set that and make my eyes pop, I actually used two colors, which was Daredevil and Great Expectations, and there's that Telescopic mascara. So yeah, so I'm just doing that, and then I'm gonna pop my lashes on and do the rest of my face, and then I'll go back over and let you guys know what other products I use, because my battery died. And yeah, there's the Morphe brow powder, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So let me just tell you the rest of my faves. So we have the eyebrow, we have the eyeshadow palette, we also have the foundation, which is the Maybelline Fit Me. We also have a favorite brush, which is my new favorite highlighter brush here, which is the Morphe M501 brush. Like, this sucker hits ya. We also have my favorite highlighter, which is the Glow Kit by Anastasia, and I actually use Starburst mixed with Mimosa. Yeah, it just blends as it brushes out. You know what I mean? A little bit here, and here, and of course there. Oh, a little bit on the chin. So, also we have mascara. We know the MAC, I think it's called Carbon Black eyeliner, that I really love. And then the lashes, we're gonna use some Morphe Continuous Setting Mist to set all this. Yes, Lord. Okay, she's here. She came to slay, not to play. What will really pull this look together is if I had a fabulous wig, which I don't. Okay, so I have my hair wrapped up because, again, it's not about the actual look. It's more so about my faves and how they all come together for me. Also, I feel like this lip kind of washes me out, but I actually still really love it. I think it's really pretty. I think it's kind of a good matte for me, which I really love mattes. I don't like anything that kind of stains my lips. I gotta keep reapplying. So even if I did finish this off in some type of way, it was gone, I still love it. And that is off Lord December box, and I have been kind of wearing it out ever since. So even though it's at the end of the year, it still made it to my faves. So yeah, so far in the first part of the series, the first video of the series, I beat my face with the products that I love using on a day-to-day basis. I try to come up with something new every day, but of course, I don't think I've ever done this look before, and as I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, I find it very pretty. It's like very dramatic and kind of dark, which is sometimes what I like. Instead of having that like bold pop of color, this is like a subtle pop of color. And I also use the highlight in my inner tear duct there to give sister a little hello, how you doing? Okay, so if you really enjoyed this video, I hope that you won't forget to like, thumbs up and subscribe, and also hit the notifications bell down at the bottom. On Instagram at boldmua, and don't forget to check out the next video. That video is going to be a get ready with me skin prepping video. I'm going to show you how I prep my skin to then do another face with another favorite palette of mine from this year. I kind of all got all these palettes together at the same time on a trip, and I love them all. One of them is actually like has one of my favorite colors in it, like that I use a lot, and you'll probably see it repeat a lot. Oh, and another product that I didn't show was the Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. This is in the medium dark one, and I'm telling y'all, I love this palette so much. I have hit pan. I think this is the second one that I've bought in a matter of a year, or yeah, a year. So yeah, I really love that product as well. I don't want to leave any product out that I've used on my face today. So love it, love it, love it. We'll be repurchasing it as always. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, divas. Bye bye.